How to turn on ultra-wide mode on Snapchat. So if you want to turn on ultra-wide mode on Snapchat, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open your Snapchat, go for the profile, which is on the upper left, and here you can go for settings, which is on the upper right. Scroll down and go for I need help, and here you need to simply search for wide mode or ultra-wide camera. Once you've searched, here you will have how you can use your ultra-wide camera. So here it says that tap on the ultra-wide icon in the camera toolbar. Pinch and zoom out of the camera. So these were the two ways. So what you can do is open up your Snapchat again. So here you will have your camera, right? So if you want the ultra-wide option, then you need to simply zoom in or zoom out. So if you zoom out, you will have your ultra-wide. And if you want the other option, then you can simply go for the plus icon, which is on the upper right. Tap on the plus, and here you will have ultra wide option. But if you don't have that option, then you may have an option here on the outside. But if you don't have that option, the only way to do is you need to simply zoom in and zoom out. So if you go to your Play Store and search for Snapchat, here you may have an update. If you have an update, simply update the application and you will have the wide camera option. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.